So it's Radaar and we're looking at the overview tab. I'm showing you this one last because really it's just all of the stuff down the left that I've already showed you, all displayed on one page. You might want to use it on this, or you might just want to go down to the left. For example, there's the inbox. You can go on the overview page and get to the inbox, but just as easily you can just click on invoice box down the left. So back to overview. There's your shortcuts for inbox monitoring, publishing and analytics. If you need to create a support ticket that'll go to the Radaar team, then that's the place to do it, nice and easily on the overview page. Not going to worry about notifications now. I've already just set mine up. It's got your task board on the left, and then you can click links to your tutorials, the discussion group, the knowledge base, what's new, and the Radaar blog. So yeah, it just about warrants a video, but that's the overview tab. And I'm probably not going to use it. I'm probably just going to go down the left. And that's definitely the last Radaar video for now. As more functions and features get released, I will be making more how-to videos. Hope you found them helpful, and hope you are having a cracking time and growing up your social media presence using Radaar.